This PYQ has a very high chance to get repeated in the UPSC Prelims Examination 2025, or a related important term can be asked, which I am going to share in this video. Let us first try to solve the PYQ and then I will discuss the concept which can be asked in the UPSC Prelims Examination related to this PYQ. So guys, the question says biodiversity normally greater in lower latitudes compared to higher latitude. This is correct. Biodiversity is highest along the equator, and as we move away from the equator the biodiversity decreases. Second statement says that along the mountain gradient biodiversity normally greater at the lower altitude as compared to the higher altitude. This is also correct. As we move up the mountain the biodiversity decreases. So the answer is both 1 and 2 is correct. Okay, so there is a term which is called Humboldt enigma. This is a very important term for the prelims examination 2025. This term basically means that generally we think that biodiversity will be high in the tropical areas, but there are some ecosystem which is beyond the tropical areas, still the biodiversity is very high. These are mountainous ecosystem. In mountainous ecosystem, because of various factors like you can see here, geological heterogeneity, climate variability and ecological niche, because of these factors even they are beyond the tropical region, still in mountainous region we have high biodiversity. So guys, they may ask you question regarding the biodiversity gradient. They may repeat that question in some form or the other, or they can ask you this term, what is the meaning of Humboldt enigma. Also guys, you need to prepare two important projects, which is National Mission on Himalayan Studies and National Mission on Sustainable Himalayan Ecosystem. These two are very important guys. Like this, I have been predicting a lot of important questions for the UPSC prelims examination. Please do attempt these important questions. This may help you to boost your marks in the last 20 days.